Katie's Cool Creations, and in today's video, I actually have a toy claw machine. It's not an actually big claw machine that you normally see at an arcade. Okay, so it is like a little toy claw machine called the Claw. I actually got it for one Christmas, and I actually, surprisingly, did not do a video on it yet, but that is what today's video is going to be, and I am just very excited for today's video. Actually, I'm going to be making slime as well, but the claw machine is going to be picking the slime ingredients, so that is pretty cool. Like, instead of asking a person what slime they should make, I could just ask this claw machine and drop the claw down, and there will be pieces of paper, either white glue, glitter, clear glue, activator, foam beads, just random ingredients, and I'll have a bowl and a spoon, and whatever pieces of paper I pick up, that is the ingredients I put in the bowl to make the slime. And I am very excited for this video, so if you're new here to my channel, it would make me so happy if you scroll down and click that subscribe button so you never miss any of my new fun videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so here I have the one and only The Claw, aka The Claw machine, and I have it filled up with eggs, and like I said earlier, there's papers in the eggs that has an ingredient or an add-in for the slime that I will be adding into my bowl. And I also have a spoon here, so if the paper says glitter, I will add some glitter into the bowl. And so, like I said, it will be like the claw machine making my slime. So I think this will be pretty fun. And also for at the very end, whenever the slime is kind of made, we have the activator. So just without further ado, let's just make this slime. So right now I'm going to take one of my coins and add it into the claw machine. And just so you guys are wondering, this is a fake coin. This claw machine came with a ton of fake coins, so that's good for me. And I will also show you how the controls work on the claw machine. So here I am just going to add one coin. This lever is for the claw machine to go forward and backward. This one is for the left and right, and this one is for up and down. So right now I'm going to try and go for this yellow egg on the top. Let's go. Let's see if we can get this. Perfect! That is perfect. I got it! My first try! Okay, let's bring it to the... Come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on, come on! We got this, guys! We got the egg! Now let's see what paper is inside and which ingredient it will be. Okay, so let's crack the egg open and see what note is inside. Oh, it's a purple one. Okay, and the note says shaving cream. So let's get some shaving cream and put it into the bowl. So here I have my shaving cream right here, and I have the bowl. So let's start adding this shaving cream. Here we go. I really don't know how much I should add, but I don't want to add much because we have no idea what slime we are going to be making, so that should be plenty, right guys? Hey guys, so here we have the shaving cream in the bowl right here. This looks pretty weird, okay? I hope our slime just does not turn out just to be shaving cream by the end. Now let's try and pick up another egg in the claw machine and hope for something other than shaving cream. Let's add one more coin. Claw up and turn it this way. Okay, so I shook it. As you can tell, the claw is moving. Let's move it so we can get this purple one. I feel this purple one now. Oh no, what? What? No. Okay, okay. No. How is this so difficult? this looks pretty good. Oh yeah, we got this, we got this, we got this! Yes! Hurry, 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 hurry. Are you kidding me? Wow. Just look at that. Just take a moment and look at this. Look at this egg. It's right above the drop outlet here thing. It just wants more coins, doesn't it? It doesn't even know they're fake. Come on, this should be easy. And drop. Yay! We got another egg. It's purple. Open it. And let's see what's inside. Oh, it's glue! So now let's get some white Elmer's glue. Okay guys, so we have some white Elmer's glue here and I'm going to pour it into the shaving cream. Let's add some white Elmer's glue. I don't know how much I should add. I don't know if it'll turn out to be a big slime or a small slime. That should be enough for now, don't you think?
Now let's add one more coin for our second ingredient.
No! It was so close. We got this. Yay, we got it! Drop it! No! It got stuck! We got it! Oh, another pink note. Wonder what that could be. Are you ready, guys? It's glitter! Oh my goodness! Wonder what color glitter we should get. Wait, I have an idea. Why get one color when you can get a mix of colors? Let's get it. Okay, so here I have this multicolored glitter. It has like blue, yellow, purple, red, all them fancy colors in the glitter. So let's add this into our fluffy mixture. Here we go. Whoa, this is looking so colorful. Let's add a lot. Okay, it looks pretty good now, so let's start mixing it up. Whoa, this is so pretty. This is so pretty looking. Whoa, this is so cool, you guys. Can you see all the colors in it? That's so pretty. Okay guys, so I think we're gonna add one more ingredient into our mixture before we add the slime activator. So let's get one more coin and play another game. Okay, let's go up and left. I mean right, yeah, right. Okay, let's see what we can get. Go right. Oh, what about this blue one? Let's drop it. Oh, looking pretty good. Oh, it's so close. Oh, what about this blue one? Okay, I think we might be able to get this if it spins around. Oh no! We got this, guys! Come on! Give me luck! So close! Come on, come on, come on! Okay, that was pretty good. We can get better. So how about we shake this thing up a little bit so they can pile up? Come on. I mean, there's no rules in the rule book that you can't do this, so. One last lucky little coin. Starting it up, lifting it. How about we go for this blue one right now? That one looks pretty good. In a good position. That pink one in the back looks pretty good too, but. I thought it for sure it had it. Oh, now it's in a better position. Okay, let's drop it. Oh, come on! Oh, it perfectly got it! Picking it up and bringing it to the drop box. 1, 2, 3. Yay, we got a blue egg this time, and let's see what color note is inside and what ingredient we'll be adding into our mixture. Okay, let's see. Cracking the egg. What will it be? Alright guys, so for this last note, it is a yellow colored one and it says scent. So that means we will be adding one of my scents into this slime.
Hey guys, so I have a pineapple scent right here and I thought I would add it into this slime. So let's add some into this slime.
Okay, that might be enough. I'm not sure how strong this is, so let's start with that.
And then I'm going to just start mixing it up.
It actually is kind of changing it to a pink color, so I'm fine with that.
So now, since we have all the ingredients that I needed from this claw machine, it is time to bring in activator.
Here we go. Let's add it slowly and not that much at first because
We don't want to overactivate this slime.
and you can just continue mixing it. As you can tell, it is thickening up a little bit at a time, which is a good sign.
Mixy, mixy, mixy. Let's slowly add some more activator.
As you can tell, it is definitely thickening up a lot more.
Whoa, this is really cool. And now I'm just gonna get in with my hands and mix it all together. It's making so many noises right now. It's pretty glossy, I can say that.
So this is the slime that my claw machine made.
And that is it for today's awesome claw machine slime making challenge? I don't know exactly what you want to call it, but I had a great time filming this awesome video. These slimes turned out so much better than I was expecting. Comment down below what you guys are expecting. I was expecting way worse than what it actually turned out to be, so I am so happy that it turned out really good. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!